Oh, what's that?
Cat.
Oh, a little kitty.
Yes.
Oh, your Aunt Debbie loves you.
We recognize the many women who shared the long, hard road with us.
Don't forget to try it.
Dowries,
Look
befit
at
a proper marriage.
What's kitty?
Oh, that's nice.
She is smiling.
She is smiling, just like you.
That your children with these women be given a free
Good job. What else did you get?
under our protection. Those will be the new soldiers of our
Oh,
kingdom.
green shoes. Oh, I like those shoes. Another kitty. And the M&M guy. That looks like a stamp. Oh, two of them. A blue one and a green one. Look at you, got little Tinkerbell flip-flops. Uh-oh, dog hair on it. Grandma will wash it. Here, I'll wash it in just a minute. Here, let's go through this box real quick. Let's see what else Aunt Debbie sent you. Some little shirts. Ooh, that's a pretty sweater. Look at that sweater. That matches those shoes you got. What color are those shoes?
Green.
Blue. Tennis shoes? You need tennis shoes. You don't have any.
Alexander, I pray your dreams shine upon
And more shoes. You'll grow into those. Are those jammies?
Yeah.
What do they have on them? Frogs. Well, what do you say to Aunt Debbie for giving you all these clothes?
Thank you.